Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to part 2 of the QMK router kind of thing. So, what we're doing here is, hang on, I can't even see. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so what the goal of this series is, both of these devices are running QMK. So this is my trackball here. So it looks a little bit different from the last video because I 3D printed a new case for it and also put in a bigger ball. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. And then this is a QMK keyboard. And what we want to do is we want to be able to send commands from the QMK keyboard directly to this trackball. But we can't do that, so we need to use some software running on the PC to forward those commands. So in the last episode, what we got this Python program here working. And here's some things here. So the main thing was to get these udev rules on Linux working. I think it should be fine on Windows and Mac OS. Yeah. But anyway, so I was thinking, why are we using Python? Since both this and or the QMK uses, C. And this Python program here is just a wrapper for C anyway. So, we might as well use C instead of Python. So this is what we're going to try in this episode. We're going to try to convert this piece of code into Python and see how we go from there. So yeah, I'll just open up the QMK raw HID for reference. Come on, Jesus. What is wrong with the internet? Right, so yeah, for C, we're going to be using high DPI, probably. Let's see what this looks like. Oh my god, why is it so fucking slow? Jesus. Okay, so this is high DPI. Okay. Interesting. Okay, this is gonna be a bit lower for us, but okay, so they open high DPI directly by the looks of it. PID, PID, and optionally serial number. I wonder, is there another way to open this thing? Because if you remember last in this video, we also need to use the usage page and this usage tag as well. So, okay, so for this thing we need the dev package. So yeah, that should be all right. We can actually try without it. But yeah, let's see if they have any examples. So there is documentation. Is there any examples? Maybe. Don't think so. Okay. Right. Okay. Well, do you know what? Let's try and copy this thing here, and we will just try and build it here. So we'll call it HID tester.c. Paste all this shit in. Now, we aren't gonna write anything yet. Yeah, we can try get the HID string and all that kind of stuff. Serial number, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, but all this finalize. What is this res thingy? Equals HID exit. Oh, okay, interesting. Interesting, okay. Anyway, yeah, we won't write anything to it. So yeah, that's fine. Okay. Right, so this thing is not found. It found this thing, but it can't find this thing. Okay. Let's see if we can just compile it. Let's see, so it'll be GCC, what is it? Yeah, this thing, and then out, QMK, HD. Okay, so I actually can't find it. So we might try to download this thing. So let's see if this actually exists. It does not. What about this? Okay. Interesting. Um, let's see. Maybe we need to link it with like libhid or something weird like that. I don't know. Development package. Okay. Let's see. Arch. Okay, well, do you know what? Let's ask this man. So, let's see. We'll just fucking copy this whole thing. How to compile this on Linux with GCC. And let's see what he returns. Okay. Aha. So you need to link with this thing. Okay. Interesting. Right, well, let's give that a go. Okay, so it still can't find this. So we'll just give it that. Let's see. Run Arch Linux. Okay. Jesus. Yeah, we have it here. So I guess you need to manually specify it. Like so. Let's see if that works. Okay, that worked. So we need to manually specify it, which is fine. Right, so. Right. Okay, so compiling on Linux, like so. Oops. sh, and we'll probably do QMK HID order. Oh wait, why did I call this tester? It's meant to be router. Okay. And then here, router. Okay. So yeah, that should work just fine. Okay. Then we can remove the original one. Okay. Now then, now that we actually have linked, well, we actually didn't link. Add include path, yes. What the fuck? Okay, that seems to be working. So can I go into, okay, good. So now what we need to do is we need to find this HID open function here. So let's see if it's inside here. Okay, so so there's a serial number instead. Okay, there's actually an open path. Okay. The path of the device to, okay. So I think we're gonna do open path because if you remember this thing, if we were to run the Python one, so Python 3 QMK thing. So because this usage thingy has its own path, right? So yeah, we're gonna probably use the open path one. Okay, and the path is just going to be a const char. Okay. Let's see, what else do they have for open? Huh. Will return immediately if there's no data to read. We'll wait and block until there is data to read. Interesting. Okay, cool. Send report. Yes, I'm just looking through all of these things here. Get device info. Okay, so it looks like a fairly straightforward library, which is good. Which is good indeed. Okay, device info. Okay, good. So here's the usage pages. Usage for this. Oh, usage. So I guess Windows doesn't actually have it. Interesting. Okay. All right. Well, in this case, let's try opening up our trackpad thingy. So this is going to be 9000 for VID. And this is going to be 9001. And let's see if it actually opens it. That'll be interesting. So let us compile this thing and we will run it as well. So it'll be QMK HID router. Okay, so it managed to actually open it and print the serial number. Let me actually get the, yeah, this thing, device info. Because I wonder what the heck it opened, you know? So we have our device here. Yeah, wait, what was the device? So I believe it should return this structure. So let's see what returns this thing. Device info. What is this? HID enumerate. Aha. Okay, wait. Okay, let's see what else returns this info. What the heck? Yeah, there should be like a get or something. Initialize. Okay. HID device is what? Is nothing. Huh, interesting. Oh, wait. Okay, so I think I'm understanding. So this thing kind of initializes HID, but okay. I guess maybe no, that doesn't make sense. All right. Is there res equals HID? Get, yeah, get device info. So what does this pass in? From HID device. Well, I'm guessing the handle is the device, or what is this actually? So this is a yeah, so I think I might be able to just pass in the handle, right? Okay. And the heck is this? Okay, so that's just a pointer here. Okay, that's fine. I guess it returns HID device info. So HID is info D is, no, that doesn't seem right. It's undefined. What? Should be this thing, no? Huh. Wonder if that'll compile. No, it doesn't. Use struct to refer. All right. Integer. What? Okay. Well, anyway. So I think I can just do struct here. Does that work? Sort of. Type of value. It cannot be used to initiate an entry type of struct. Okay. So it needs to be a pointer, I'm guessing. Fuck, where's that thing? There it is. Is that what you want? What's wrong with you now? How do I create a... Okay, I think I think that should work. Okay, Christ. Then what we can do is printf. We can do, what was it? usage page. That's gonna be %x, I think you can do. And then it's gonna be usage and %x. Then we can do d and usage page, and then followed by d usage. So I think that should work in theory. And that worked. Usage page 1, usage 6. Okay, so that's not really what we wanted. So we are going with this 9001. Yeah, usage page 6 or usage page 1 and usage 6. Yeah, so we are connecting to this one, which is not what it should be. We should be connecting to this one, which is interesting. So, right. But interestingly enough, it actually fucking opened. So that's pretty interesting. Right, so in this case, what we need is we need to open something. Yeah, unfortunately, this thing. Okay, so there is an enumerate thingy. What does that do? This function of type containing about HID device is attached to the system. Okay. Or null failure if no persists in the system. To get failure reason. This function must, the return value by this function must be freed by calling HID free enumeration. Okay. When not needed anymore. Okay. Ah, I see. So this thing passes back HID device info and then we just kind of free it. But why is there vendor ID and product ID? Interesting shit. Okay. Or because when we get this, well, actually, the first device with the specific, okay, I see. Right, so I think we need to enumerate first. But why the heck does this open vendor ID? That is weird. But I also saw a weird thing in here. So if you have D, there is next here, right? So I wonder, pointer to the next device, okay. I wonder, what if I did if D next, so this would probably be, you know, null, right? Like, how do you check if there's actually a next device? Yeah, I guess if it's null, then fine. Okay, so anyway, if D next, printf found next device, and it will be a new line here, so why not? Then we'll do D equals D next. I think that will work. and then it'll print the kind of next one, if you know what I mean. Actually, we will print it here as well, and we will print new line here. Okay, so let's give that a go and let's see what happens. Okay, so it actually didn't find a next device. Okay. Okay, interesting shit. So, what we're gonna do is try to use that enumerate function thingy. So, because we need to find, you know, the kind of next device. So let's see. Yeah. Okay, let's go into documentation. Oh, okay, that's useless. Okay, excellent. Yeah, a starting point. Okay, let's see this test here. Okay. Needed for sleeping. Okay. Okay, this is actually pretty good. Print device found. Okay, yeah, this is actually really good stuff here. Okay. Print devices. Okay. Yeah, so this is something like here, print device with descriptor, int main. Okay. So yeah, HD enumerate, and he actually lists this as nothing. Okay, pretty interesting stuff actually. Print devices with descriptor, devs. Okay. Cool. Yeah. And set timeout, handle. Okay. To be non-blocking. Interesting. So I guess you sleep here by yourself. Okay, that is pretty cool actually. Unable to read. Okay. Alright, that is pretty good. So, devs is what? Okay, so it's just a big kind of dev info thingy. So we're gonna try and do that in here. So I guess we'll create like a new kind of function because this is getting a little bit messy. So let's go with bool or just void, whatever. Void find devices. And we are going to be using this thing, devs. And I suppose this should return, it should return what you call these, the path of the thing, since you can open this thing by path, I believe. Yeah, open. Where's, yeah, HID open and HID open path. Yeah. Okay, cool. So we can return the paths of the things. So I guess before we do that, what we want to do is want to create like a simple kind of structure for ourselves. So this will be struct. We'll call it devices, like so. And in here we will have VID. So this will be, or how do you create the structure? We can actually cheat and see how this looks like. Okay, so unsigned short. Okay, yeah, so we'll do unsigned short as well. Okay, so unsigned short VID, and then it's just like this. Then same thing for PID, and then for this thing, we will do usage or a path, right? Wait, yeah, there it is, path. So path is just char path thingy. Okay, cool. All right. And so we also want to do define what was it? Yeah, QMK usage page. QMK raw usage page. And that is going to be this. And we will also define just this, and that will be 61, like so. All right, so for the devices, what we're gonna do is we are going to create like, you know, a bunch of devices here, I suppose. So unsigned, so we should be able to do devices and devs, and that will be, let's say, just tree or something. Struct, no, struct devices devs. So that should do the job. So there'll be space for 3 of them, because actually not for 2 of them, because I only want to communicate with 2 of them. So devs 0 dot, oh yeah, okay, good. So dot PID or VA? Yeah, okay, come here. So it'll be PID. So the first one is gonna be this thing. So we can just copy that. And then devs 0.PID is going to be the same thing but 1. Okay. And then we need devs 1 VID is going to be this thing here. And devs 1 PID is going to be this thing here. Nope. All right. So yeah, we can actually define, like, yeah, let's do define keyboard, so KB, that's just going to be 1. Then define, actually, yeah, he'll be 1. And then define, what you call it, trackball, that's going to be 0. So here we can do trackball, then KB, since that's kind of what we fucking want. All right, cool. And then obviously this should probably be passed in as a you know, int or something. Right, so we initialize this HID. What is returns 0 on success? Okay, so this is not really even required that much. Okay, so then what we need to do is we need to find devices, right? And we're gonna pass in the devs. Maybe I can just do it like this. Yeah, so we're gonna pass in devs. I might need to do this like this, but who knows? So this will be a struct, struct device, or what the heck did I call this thing? I forgot already. Yeah, devices, devices. Then we'll just do devs, or yeah, dev d. Fuck it, these. What's wrong with you? Unnamed prototype. What do you mean unnamed prototype parameters? That's how you do it, no? Okay, yeah, I guess that's how you do it. Okay, whatever. Right. So let's actually just print these. Right. So I actually forgot how you print fucking like loops. So let's say for int I equals 0. I is less than ds, but it's like size of ds, or actually don't know. Let's ask the boys. Loop and print ds. So 6 line. So how to loop structs in this case? count. What? Huh. Well, no, that's not really what I wanted. How to loop C structures, C structs in general. Okay, yeah, exactly, this is what I want. But I guess I could pass in the size of the structures. Yeah, I didn't really want to do that, but I guess we can. So u int sure, u int 16t, let's see, size. Or is there actually like u size or something? U size, no? Does that work? Huh. Hang on. C U size or something. Okay, so it's libc. Okay, I think we could just do U32. U32, does that work? Yes, okay, then let's see. Right. Yeah, but how do I Studio O maybe? No. Huh. I30? No, it needs to be unsigned. What the fuck is this, C? Okay. Weird. Okay, let's try U size anyway. U size. Or unsigned. Yeah, we can just do unsigned small int. Is that a thing? Maybe. What is this? Oh, fuck. Or... Do you know what? Wait. How did, Oh yeah, short, right? Yeah, because we probably won't be, having a lot of... Although we could. Fuck it, do you know what? Unsigned int will do fine. So this will be unsigned int size, or whatever the fuck. Wait, is there size T? Hang on. Ah, there is. Excellent. That's unsigned long. Size T. Okay. Fuck it. Unsigned short or something. How big is actually short? Well, you know what? Doesn't fucking matter. What the heck is wrong? Nothing. Okay. Whatever. So here we're gonna pass in 2. Right. So for you int for unsigned short I equals 0, I is less than shit. What are we fucking? Yeah, I is less than size. Yeah. Then I plus plus. So that's what we're doing anyway. And then we're just gonna do printf and we are gonna print ds or I think I need to do this. Maybe not. Wait, what the heck? So this is a structure. So can I vid? Does that work? Apply to struct instead of a pointer type. What? So this? I know it's one of the twos. Operator. Wait, so it's okay. I'm so fucking confused. It's just this. Okay, well, we can try that. So this will be x or fucking %x or x. So this will be PID and PID %x and ds I dot PID. Okay. Right. So we don't actually want to initialize yet. We just want to return 0. So that will be fine. Okay. Let's give that a go. What's wrong with this? Isn't compatible, but this thing expects a struct graphic. Oops. So I don't need this then? Huh, thought I did. Alright, that worked, but nothing happened. Oh, because I'm a fucking idiot. Okay, here we go. Alright, okay, so let's try that. Okay. So yeah, that actually worked well. Okay, good. So now then, we have our devices, and what we need to do is we need to enumerate and then populate the path. So in this case, we actually want to create a void print devices. Like so, it's actually going to be very similar to this thing. It's actually going to be pretty much identical to this thing. Like so. So yeah, then we can just, pass the devices to print. Okay, cool. But we also need to, find these devices as well. So, yeah, then we can do like a print after. So find devices and then print devices. And we should actually do like define here. Define device or device num is going to be 2. So that way, we don't need to keep on doing this shit. Okay. So print devices be divs device num. Okay, and we actually need to initialize the HID here, and yeah, all of this stuff we can get rid of for now, because we aren't actually going to be opening up kind of anything really. So oh yeah, and the handle as well, we can close that. Okay, so we need to initialize the thing, and then we will find devices, then we'll just print our devices, and then the whole program will exit. So when we find devices, we do this, and then if we were to go into this thing here, so yeah, we need to do devices is enumerate, like so. So we will enumerate these devices, and we need to so we need to find this thing here, print devices with descriptor. Okay. Interesting. This is some interesting code here. So we have this thing device here. So for nothing, core device, and then core device equal. Aha, I see how this works. Okay. Damn, that is pretty clever code. I'm gonna fucking copy this. Holy shit. I like this fucking piece of code. So what this means is it's just gonna loop through all of them. So yeah, we have divs. And so what we want is, so this should give us the first one, I think. So we can actually change this to cur dev, like so. Yeah, this will be cur dev. So yeah, this should make the code work. And what we can do, so we can actually just print this. Yeah. So this will be, in this case, it will be, since these two things are pointers, so it'll be cur dev PID, then cur dev was a PID, product ID, and we can also do the path. So the path is going to be a string, and then we can do a cur dev path, yeah, like so. Okay. Then we could just hide this thing for now, because this thing will actually kind of go in here. Yeah, later on. Because while we're looping through this, we want to find all of them. And we actually want to mark down how many we found. So unsigned short num found is going to be 0. And then here we can do like if num found is greater or equal to what was it, device total, or actually, yeah, it's greater or equal to size, then we just break pretty much, and that's it. So we'll exit the loop early once we found all of the devices, like so. But for now, we won't actually loop through these devices yet, because I just want to see what the heck it actually prints for everything. And I think this should work. Yeah, so there is a segmentation fault, unfortunately, for some reason. Yeah, I guess it printed everything, but then died. Oh wait, what the heck? So oh wait, I think I know what's wrong. What? I wonder if it crashed inside print devices or if it crashed somewhere else. Let's see. No, it crashed somewhere else. Oh yeah, I remember now. I remember why it crashed. Because after we finished finding the devices, what we need to do is we need to free these devices. So, yeah, HID free enumeration. So we need to do that. And we are going to free the current device. I think. Oh yeah, whatever you set the HID enumerate to. Yeah, so current, yeah, okay, cool. So yeah, we need to free this thing, and I think that's what was crashing it. So let's try that again. Oh no, it still crashed. Huh, interesting. I wonder why. Oh yeah, because we didn't open the handle. So yeah, that's where it crashed. Okay. There we go. So yeah, no more crashes now. So that's good. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's all of our devices, and it's looking good. It's looking real fucking good. Okay, cool. Yeah. Actually, since our thing here, or what you call it? Yeah, whatever. This grand. Never mind. I was gonna say something else, but yeah, fuck it. We'll just go with this. All right. So now this is all good. Now we need to find our boys here. So if cur dev product ID is equal to what are we doing? Yeah, ds I the PID and curdev VID is equal to ds I. Oh yeah, actually, wait. Oh yeah, I suppose usage pages here. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, cool. Dot VID and curdev usage page is equal to QMK usage page, and curdev is equal to usage. This will be QMK raw usage. So if it equals all of this shit, then what we want to do is we want to dsi.path is equal to per dev path. I think that's how, I'm not sure if this will actually save, but it is what it is. And then we want to do numfound plus plus. Okay. Like so. What is this? Oh yeah, this just prints this thing. And then we actually do want to print this device. So let's see if it finds one of them. Okay, it actually found nothing. Interesting. Right. Okay. Okay. Or maybe it did find something. Let's see. Print f, did I find shit? And let's do that. Okay, so it did find it, it just didn't save it. I had a funny feeling that was gonna happen because we are doing it kind of like this. Yeah, how the fuck do I yeah, I wanna like, you know, give the address. Oh fuck, wrong thing. Yeah, I wanna give the address of this thing. But I'm not sure that will actually work. Yeah, so it's like, let's try it out. Okay, let's see what we have here. Compatible pointer type, devs. Struct devs, but argument is of type struct devs too. I see. Okay. I think I know what the problem is. This thing needs to be a pointer, right? Expression must have. So this will be this, right? Or no? No, actually, yeah, so this thing maybe should be a pointer, but this thing, yeah, well, it's technically right because it's, you know, it's like this, but yeah, expected this by argument is of type this. Interesting, okay. Okay, that kind of makes sense actually. So I guess if we were to put this up here, and then here we can do device num maybe? That looks very wrong, but it might work out, I have no idea. So in this case, we need to dereference them, I'm pretty sure. Right? No? The fuck? How do I fucking do this shite then? Okay, well, at least now it's Well, let's see what kind of error we get actually. Okay. Right. Expect by argument. Wait. What? Okay, interesting. What argument is of type? So what you're saying is if I were to do this, something like this, would that actually work? Oops. Oops. With the two? uh, what do you want? Okay, well let's see what the error here is. What argument is of type struct? Huh. Ah, okay. In this case, what if I did this? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's just creating a pointer. It doesn't actually allocate anything. So yeah, let's ask our good old boy how to actually fix this thing. So 7. Oh, okay. Well, yeah. Oh, I see. So we actually need to allocate this shit. Fuck. Um. All right. Although, yeah, do you know what? Fuck it. Let's go deep into the shite. So malloc num devices, because why not? Okay, so this will just be that. What's wrong with you? What do you mean it's not? Oh yeah, because I have it as device num. Device num. Okay. So we did that. That actually works. So this thing should now go into here. And it should be a pointer. So it should be like this. And maybe it will work. Who knows? Yeah. Oh yeah, then we also need to free devs. Otherwise there'll be a fucking memory leak. Let's see what else they say. Yeah, so apart from that should be fine. Now the only thing is this thing probably won't be saved, but sure, we'll fucking see. Ah, okay. Ah, so we actually need to include this thing. stdlib, that is fine. Oops. Include this thing. Should be good. Okay, yeah, so it still didn't Didn't do that. So yeah, how do I save DS? Okay, so 26. Need to ensure. Yeah. Okay, so interesting. But this path is what is it? It's just a char path. Yeah, that actually makes fucking sense. Um, okay, let's see if that works. Because I thought you could just do it like this, but yeah, I guess that makes sense because it's just copying out, just setting a pointer or something. Yeah, so we actually need to copy it properly. Right, like something like this, but right, size of path, size of. So this is going to be char because that's what we're using. Nope. Yeah, and then for this thing, we will use, let's say, I don't know, should be less than 32. So yeah, should be good. Like so. And that might do the job. So let's see how it goes. Okay. Incompatible types. Expected. Ah, okay. Fuck. Um, is there a way to do it with just... Ah, okay, so I'll need to actually convert it. Yeah. Yeah, so this is actually what I have, so that's good. We're on the right path. Wait a second, do you not free it? What the fuck? Allocate the memory for the path. Ah, okay. Well, yeah, we don't need to do that then. And then null. So this converted. Okay, so then we free on error. Okay. Yeah, but we don't need to free if we already pre-allocated here. Yeah, we pre-allocated 32, so that is fine. What the hell? If converted. Alright, well, fuck it, you know what? It is grand. Right, so that'll be 32. And yeah, I guess we can do this shite. Oh, Jesus. So if converted, P0 failed to convert, but we don't need to actually free it, so that is fine. Okay, so let's give that a go and see what happens. Okay. Ah, right, so yeah, so this thing is also really? Ah, oh yeah, fair enough. STR copy. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay. So yeah, we'll actually do something like that. That makes sense. Yeah, so actually put it at the start. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so let's do exactly this. Then we can get rid of all this bullshit here. So that should be good. That makes sense. Okay, let's give that a go and see what happens. Fuck. Okay, I need to include string.h at the very top. Include string.h. Okay, so it sort of but not really worked, because it did find it, right? So yeah, if we do printf, oops, found for, and this will be I, because yeah, one of them should be found, but yeah, it just doesn't like copy it. Yeah, found for 0 and actually forgot to put in a new line here. Yeah, but I didn't set it unless I don't print it, which I should. I don't actually print it. Oh my god, okay. So all this fucking shite. Oh my god, so path is gonna be percentage %s So BSI path. But to be fair, I think this is good because we should actually copy the string instead of assigning the pointer directly, which, yeah, didn't make any sense now that I think about it. Okay, good. So we have HID draw 22 for that thing, and it's the right, it's the right, fucking, where is it? 9000. Well, we can't see it here. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so it's the right one for the usage. So yeah, that's all good. Okay, cool. So yeah, that's pretty good. Now we can actually continue on with the rest of stuff. Now the reason why it didn't find this one is because I didn't compile this yet. So yeah, I was using, the other keyboard last day, but since this works fine, oops, oh my god. But yeah, since this works fine on the macropad, I'm just gonna compile my main keyboard to use this. So we can actually do it right now. Then we're gonna start the flashing process. Like so. So now this should have this support the Jesus, what am I doing? The HID raw support. So if I were to run this thing again, as you can see, now we have it for the keyboard as well. It's actually HID draw too. Interesting. Okay, pretty cool stuff. So yeah, now we have it for both. We can start like forwarding packets and all that kind of shit now. So yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, all right. So yeah, we're back here now. Now, since we're going to be sending packets back and forward, we actually need to have kind of like a, defined structure. And I think if I include stdint.h, I should be able to do the use size shite like how I wanted before. Let's see. Okay, well, we can do this instead. UN16T. Yeah. UN16T. And then here, where's the size? Or whatever the fuck I had it here. Or is that it? Oh, wait. I deleted it by accident. And then here, U in 16T. Yeah, so this is kind of what I was trying to go for. Right, so yeah, that should work. Yep, found for 0, found for 1. Okay, so yeah, all this shit works. But now, what we need to do is we need to create another structure. We'll call it struct. Man, this fucking thing. Okay, so we'll call it HID packet or something. HID packet. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. So we'll have a header. Oh yeah, so these things, like I mentioned before, they need to be max length of 32. So define, what was that thing that was defined here? Hang on. Okay, it wasn't report length, it was something else. What was it? This thing, raw heap size is 32, yeah. So let us define raw heap size equal to 32. So this is the maximum size that this HID packet should be. So, right, first of all, we'll have a header. So this will be uint 16t. So this will be a header. And this is 2 bytes, right? Yeah, because 8 is 1 byte. So then uint 8t, or actually it'll be another 16t. This will be, let's say, 2 VID. So this is who you want to send it to. This is another 2 bytes. So this is 4 bytes. So yeah, this is yeah. So this is how we'll do it. So this will be 2 bytes now, 4 bytes now, and then we need uint 16t 2 PID. So this is 6 bytes now. Then I suppose we will need let's go with another uint 8t. So this will be like command or something, or operation. Yeah, operation. Operation. And so this will be 7 bytes now. And then we'll need wait, why is operation highlighted? Is this some keyword or something? Ah, it actually is. Okay, so CMD, let's just call it. Fuck. Oh wait, no, never mind. Yeah. Why was operation highlighted? That was weird. Okay, anyway. Uint t, and so this will be let's go with payload length. So this is gonna be 8 bytes. Fuck. Bytes now. And then last thing is going to be uint 8. This is gonna be the payload. Like so. But for the payload, what we need to do is we need to subtract 8 from 32, which is 8 minus, or 32 minus 8, that is 24. So yeah, this is going to be 24. Yeah. So yeah. There we go. So that is the whole thing leading up to 32 bytes as such. So now that we have the raw HID packet thingy, we can start constructing shite here on the keyboard. Right, so I actually deleted, well, since this is a new thing, we need to do, I'll do like raw HID.c, and we will also do raw HID.h, and we will do this defines guard here. Oops, The heck, why did that not copy? What is going on? What the fuck? Okay, something fucked up with this thing. Yeah, so. Okay, so this will be share defines. It will be raw HID defines or something. Raw HID defines H. So this just makes sure that this whole file gets defined only once. What is wrong with you? It's not. Fucking God, it's so slow. Okay, cool. So, right, what do we have here? Yeah, not much. Okay. So, let's see, in this case, what we can do, we can probably include a raw HID, like so. Actually, do you know, we will do raw HID router. Raw HID. Actually, not router. Ah, fuck. Ah, fuck. Raw HID client. Yeah, that makes more sense. Okay. Oh my god, why does it do that? HID client. Okay, so raw HID client. Client. Okay, good. Now here we'll do raw HID client. I'll put that in there so that way everything else kind of knows about this thing. And inside the rules MK, what we need to do is we need to add raw HID client.c. Okay, cool. So now inside here we can also move this structure here. So 9y. Or actually we can put this inside the h. Yeah, because why not? I hope this works. Let me actually try to compile it. Let's see how it goes. Okay, what is this? No such file or directory. Oh, wait, what? What? Raw HID client. Did I just fuck something up? I'm so confused. All right, Jesus. Raw HID client. Jesus. Okay. Okay, so that seems to be compiling, so that's good. I was thinking that these uints won't work, but they do, it's just not configured here properly. Okay, cool. So now that we have that, we will do a write function. So in here, where's the fucking, okay, yeah, so there is send. Okay, cool, cool, cool. So, or for, yeah, actually we do need to send it though, yeah. Yeah, so for now I guess we'll just put this example into here, but we won't actually send this thing yet. We'll just kind of do it like this. And yeah, because when we're receiving, we actually won't really be receiving anything here. So we will do void. Actually, no, it won't be. Okay, so void raw HID and send to router, something like that. Okay. So we are sending to router something. I don't know what yet. But yeah. So what I want to do is, let's see. Right, so first of all, I guess we need to create the actual thing. So struct, what did I call this thing? Yeah, HID packet. So we want to create this struct HID packet. This will be pack. Right. So we were to create that. Oh yeah, first of all, this thing needs to actually include the raw HID thing, or raw HID client. Like so. So now it knows what the heck the packet is. And suppose for the first one, yeah, actually, thinking. Okay, so here we would also need to have kind of like device or something. Yes, this will be HID packet, but we'll also need to do a struct raw HID client, maybe. Yeah, so the client will be kind of the devices you're sending to, if you know what I mean. So in this case, it will be these, like so. And yeah, so this will be kind of used internally. To VID, PID, okay. And yeah, I guess that's really it that I need. So what we will do here is at the top, we'll create a struct. No, not like this. Struct. Was raw HID client. Yeah, raw HID client. That'll be good. Hopefully that doesn't clash with anything. And so this will be trackball. And I think I can set it to how do I, do you know what? Fuck it. Trackball dot actually, yeah, this will just be VID and PID. Yeah, that makes more sense. Dot VID is equal to, why the heck does this not work? Surely this is how I did it here. Well, sort of. Okay, well, anyway. VID is going to be this. And then trackball.PID is going to be this. And this looks really fucking, like there should be a way to kind of initialize these. Let's see. Let's go with here. How to initialize this struct properly. Yeah, this is what I wanted. Exactly. struct raw trackball equals this. Okay, there we go. That's good. So here, send HID to router. In this case, actually, this thing should go in the header. Oh fuck. Yeah, this thing should actually go in the header. Cause yeah, I'll be kind of using it later and right. Okay, so this thing is gonna accept a HID, raw HID client. So this will be client, and it will accept the pointer maybe. What's wrong with you? What do you mean it's undefined? Oh yeah, because it needs to be a struct. Raw HID client. What's wrong with you? Huh? Okay, just fucking stupid shit. Okay, so what the hell's wrong with you? Weird. Anyway, and then I suppose, yeah, so anyway, first of all, we have a pack, and then pack dot, well, why is it only payload? The heck? Or, man, this is so weird. I think it's, this thing just cannot fucking, okay, let's actually go with the header first. So, pack.header, this is going to be 0x FED, because why not? Then pack dot to VID is going to be client dot VID, like so, and pack to PID is going to be client dot PID. What's wrong with you? Expression. So what, you want this? So confused. I guess so. Okay, well, fuck it, it is what it is. Alright, so once we set those, well, actually, if we set those the right way, now we have most of the structure done. Right, so yeah, we have the structure done. The payload length and the payload, we can do that, I suppose. Oh fuck, where is this shit gone? Okay. Yeah, so then we need the payload. But in this case, oh yeah, there's also operation. Yeah, so yeah, for operations, we will probably define them or do an enum. Yeah, let's do an enum instead. C enum. I'm pretty sure that's a thing. Yeah, enum state working 0, blah blah blah. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. So here we'll have enum operation, and then we will have, I don't know, let's just do key A. For example, that will be 0x001. Yeah, because we have 1 byte for this shit, or Yeah, actually, is this 1 byte or is this 1 byte? No, I think, yeah, I think I'm right. So yeah, this is 1 byte. We can actually try key Z. It's gonna be 0xFF. Wait, is that not how you do the operation? Oh no, you do it as a comma. Okay, cool. So yeah, that will be operation. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So yeah, that'll be operation. Right, so here we will also need operation which is uint 8 come on t operation, and that'll be an enum, so that is fine. So pack dot operation equals just operation, like so. And then for the payload, yeah, I suppose the payload doesn't really matter in our case, but like technically it will matter later on. So let's just do this. Okay, so uint operation. We also want a payload. So yeah, and then we'll actually well, you know, yeah, we'll calculate the payload length and something, I don't know. Yeah, so in this case, payload is 24 bytes. Yeah. Let me think about that. Yeah, I suppose we'll just kind of do it like uint 8, for fuck's sake, uint 8t, and then we'll do payload, and then we'll do uint 8t. We'll do payload len, like so. Right. So then here, if payload len is going to be greater than, what do we have here? Greater than 24. Actually, we should actually just do this as a define. So let's say the define HID. This will be HID packet payload len. It's going to be 24. So HID packet payload len is going to be 24. And then here, if that is greater than that, we'll just do nothing and we'll just return. Okay. So then pack dot, what was it? Payload len. Pack dot payload len equals payload, Jesus, payload len, like so. And then what we need to do is we will actually clear the whole, so this whole payload inside here. So we'll do like a nice memset. Hopefully that will work. pack dot payload. We'll set it to 0. We'll do size of pack dot payload. Okay, so that should do the job. Oops. To get rid of, like, you know, random data. And then we'll do a mem cpy pack dot payload. And then we'll do payload and payload len. Oops, len, like so. So yeah, we'll just copy everything inside there. Like so. Then we will do raw HID send. We'll do response, or yeah, wait, no, what the fuck? We'll do pack, and then the length of the packet is going to be, what the fuck? Did I set this somewhere? This thing, raw heap size. So it's gonna be this raw heap size, like so. Now this thing should be defined, but yeah, that's how it is. So this is actually not sending anything right now, but that's kind of the premise of this fucking thing. So let's see if we can compile this thing. Okay, so there's something that became fucked in the H file. I'm guessing it's this thing. Let's try that again. Oh shit. Okay, so really? Memset is from string. Huh. I wonder, do I have string inside here? I do not. Okay. In that case, we will actually, yeah, fuck it, just add it in here, because yeah, that will be include string. Right, is that what you wanted? Yes. Oh yes, string.h. My bad. Yeah, there we go. Okay. See what the next viewer is. Okay. Implicit declaration of raw HID send. Oh yeah, I remember now. Yeah, we needed to add some shit. I actually kind of forgot what that shit was, so let's grab it. Ah shit, wrong thing. Right, yeah, close enough. Okay, repositories, QMK firmware. This will be micropan. Right, keyboards. Let's see. It's you. Come on, find it. There we go. Now key maps, main, and raw HID. Okay, so we need this thing. Yeah, then we did like raw heap size and all that kind of shit here. So yeah, that is fine. Put that in here. We don't need HID display probably, so fuck it. We'll just leave it in. Okay, so now let's try and build it. Okay. Type argument of 1. Expected this thing. Okay. In that case, what we can do is we can just do some bullshit. So you int t star and then get the address to this thing. So Let's see if that worked. Hell yeah, that worked. All right, cool. Fuck, never mind. Oh, multiple definitions of trackball. What? What the hell? Why is there multiple definitions of trackball? There should be only be one. Yeah. Okay. Let us move this guy. Yeah, so I think that should be fine. Like, if not defined, define. Because that's how I have it here. And then it's just end if at the end. I guess what we can do is this, right? So what we can do is we can put this trackball into here. And then what we can do is we can put this, but we can do extern this thing. Like so, kind of like how we have it here with some of our variables here. So yeah, that should do the job. And let's see if that worked. No, interesting. Unknown type name, what? Ah, okay. I guess I need to put it as, yeah, I guess it needs to be struct here as well. That should do the job now. Let's see. Okay, good. So yeah, that did the job. But now we actually need some way to use this thing. So, right. So let's create a function here called void simple HID test send key. And we are going to take, so we are going to take the client, and that's it, I think. Oh yeah, the client and yeah, so simple key tech, Jesus key thingy, and we will do uint uint 8t key. So yeah, there we go. So inside here, what we will do is we will actually call to raw HID send to router. Now, for the client, we'll just pass in the client. For the operation, now we have this thing. So this will be, oh wait, operation is actually going to be kind of, yeah, operation will be simple key, something like that. And then simple key 2 or something. I don't know. We'll just do that for now. So for the operation, it'll be, shit, what did I call this thing? It'll be operation dot, how do you actually use enums in C? Enum weekday, day, wait, what? Day equals wins, what the fuck? I am so fucking confused. Oh, wait a second. How does that work? Year. Wait a second. But, huh. So I can literally. That is a weird fucking way of doing it. So in this case, we'll do GUW. All right. So, really? So it's just like this. Okay. Wow. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Do you know what? Simple key is kind of, like, yeah, it will work. So let's do simple key underscore 2. Because I want to see if, okay, so it does go to, okay, cool. Anyway. Right. What's next? So operation payload. Okay. The payload will be an interesting one. Cause, yeah, how would I even fucking do that shite? I guess we can just do this. And then for the payload, we'll just do 0x01, 0x02, 0x03, then 0x, and then just close it off with like an FF or something. And the payload length is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll just do 4. Like so. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see if that compiles. That'll be interesting to see. Okay. So, implicit declaration of function raw HID. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's my bad. I forgot C's like this. So yeah, we need to put this here. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see what else is here. Expected token. Right. Okay, so I guess we can't actually do that. Which is fine. We'll just do this then. U int 8t test is equal to this. And we can set this to 4. And we'll do test here. So that should work now. Okay, it's looking good so far. All right, cool. So next thing is we actually need to put this function outside. Well, not this function, this function. Yeah, we need to put this thing inside here, raw HID client. So yeah, this thing will be like, a prototype as such. I think I have some functions here defined. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, this will be our functions. We'll just put these actually towards the end. And then these can just go here somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, whatever. All right. So, oh yeah, actually, I didn't even fucking send the key. Fuck me. Okay, so yeah, here since we are, what is it? Since we are actually sending the key, we might as well put the key as the very last thing. So, or as the very first thing, why not? Right? Yeah, that looks good. I think that will work. Let's compile again. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, cool. So now we can use this external function anywhere. So in our case, let's go into key map. Well, first of all, we need to actually create a macro. So the macro is going to be raw HID M1 or something like that, just for now. So we added it here. Next, we need to add it inside macros. So here we will... What the hell is going on here? Why is there weird shit? Here, where does this go? Okay, that goes in the switch. And this goes in the if state. Oh, okay, I see what happened here. Okay, well, whatever. That's fine. So, case, our new macro, and break. Like so. So, for our new macro, the hell happened? Okay, we are going to grab this function, paste it in here. Now for the key, we are going to use x, let's go with 0a, like so. And now for the client, we are going to use the trackball as the client, and we don't need this thing. So this shit should send fucking thing when I press it. Okay, cool. So yeah, that should send the key A when I press this thing, like so. All right, cool. But we actually need to put this macro somewhere. Yeah. So inside our key map, I do have a layer trackball already, but that was for something else. But we can reuse it. Yeah, we can reuse this layer trackball. Right, so okay, yeah, that's the left hand. Mouse button tree, okay. Let's see how it is. So we will, yeah, we will actually do number 1 here. Okay, so that should work. And just to make sure that I'm pressing the right thing, we can do, where's the macros? Okay, so there should be a send string. Yeah, there we go. So send string. Okay. We can do send string about to send HID. Then here, oops, sent HID. Okay, so this will just print some shit here. And then we'll actually just do it like this. And do it like this. Okay. All right, so let's compile this thing, and that should actually work like properly. If it compiles properly. Okay, it didn't. What happened here? What argument is of type struct raw HID client? Okay, we can do this. That should work. Yep. Okay, let's see if it actually worked. Okay. So I'm actually gonna flash the keyboard with this. Mount it. Good, good, good. Okay. So if I were to press this key now. Okay. So yeah, it does work. So now we just need to actually listen for it. So inside our C fucking function or C folder here. Right, so we get the devices, we initialize, we find the devices. Now the device, this thing is the second one. So what we are going to do is, so yeah, let's actually go here. Oh yeah, actually, do you know what? Inside our devices, right, we could actually have a handle. So here we go. Oh no, that's HID packet. Oops, my bad. Yeah, so here we can do a handle like so. That will work. And then, yeah. So then it'll be something like this, right? So devs kb dot handle is going to be HID open path, and the path is going to be devs kb dot path, like so. And then what we're going to do, if not devs kb dot handle, so if it's not there, then we will just try this like so. What the heck? That is some weird indentation going on here, but anyway. So enable to open device. Okay. We don't need to read all of this shit. Read product, read serial number, read the index string 1, read the thing, usage page. Okay. So what we need to do is actually just read this thing and read it into the buffer. And the buffer is eep size, yeah. Yeah, so actually it should be this eep raw eep size, the buffer. Okay. So, yeah, right. Read. And then we can print the returned buffer. Okay. That's right. Then read. So res handle, which will be devs Jesus kb dot handle, and this will be raw eep size. Then we will print the returned buffer for I buff I. Well, this will be raw eep size. Then we'll just print it as we'll print it as x or %x. Then this will just be buff I. Yeah. So yeah, that should be good. And then, yeah, we'll just do that. Then we'll close the handle. So this will be HTTPS devs kb dot handle. So yeah, I believe that should work if it compiles properly. So let's give that a go. So boom. Okay, so now it's looking for the thing. And if I were to send something, oh shit, it actually worked. Okay, so it worked kind of backwards. So as you can see, the header is kind of backwards, which is fine. So yeah, this shit is kind of backwards. So we need to do some shit about that. Yeah, but anyway, the rest. So let's see how this actually works out. Right, so what we're sending here is we are sending. Right, so first the header is feed, so that's a little bit backwards, but that's fine. Next is to VID. Oh yeah, this thing's gonna be a little bit backwards as well. So, the heck is this thing again? Hang on. Okay, so raw HID client. So this is so first is VID, then PID. Okay, VID, PID. So VID, PID. Okay. So yeah, that should work out with this. So yeah, VID, PID. Okay. So yeah, VID is 9,000 and wait, what? Then the other one. So it's 9,001. Huh, that is weird. Um I think there's some missing stuff here. Yeah. Yeah, so it should be like this. Unless I fucked something up here. No, even 16, yeah. So that should be alright. Huh. Ah, I think I know what's happening here. What? So if we take all of this, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, actually, yeah, so I think I know what's wrong. This thing is not printing like all the zeros properly, I think. Let's see. C print X. Yeah. Let's see what this looks like. God, why is the internet so slow? What the fuck? Yeah, okay, so I think I know what is wrong there. That's yeah, actually, how do I print like a raw buffer? C print raw, yeah, raw bytes. How do we do that? Fprintf. Aha. Excellent. Let's try that. So, oh fuck. So fprintf buff. Okay, good. Size of buff. We'll actually fucking just do raw heap size. What is this one? What does that mean? Ah, okay, so one is, yeah, okay, got you. Okay, so let's try this one actually. I think we'll have better luck. Okay, so yeah, I am going to send some more HIDs here. Ah, shit. So in theory, it did print. Use the format C. Use the format. Okay, let me try that. So yeah, that just literally printed the bytes. That's kind of not great for us. So let's try C. Let's see what that does. I think I'll just do a character, which is not what I want as well. Oh, what the heck? Okay, so it just exited for some reason. Fuck. Okay. Surely there must be a nice way to like fucking look at the bytes. Yes, how to print binary to std out. Let's see what this does. What the fuck? Why is there nothing? Is there meant to be something here? What the oh my god, man, this is useless fucking websites. Okay. No, I need like, okay, C print raw bytes as hex. There we go. Yeah, actually something like this maybe. Or actually, yeah, that's a good idea actually. Let's try this. So yeah. Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay, well. Really, that doesn't work? Extra text expected. Oh no, that's fine. Okay, well, fuck it. Let's give it a try. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay, so for some reason it died, but oh yeah, no, that's right. Yeah, it's meant to die. Yeah, I forgot that. I have to read it. We actually die. Okay, so yeah, this is looking much better. So yeah, feed 0909 0919. Okay, good. Okay, cool. Yeah, this is looking much better. Okay. Right. Cool. So I suppose we can actually split this into its kind of, you know, headers and whatnot. So if I is equal to tree, yeah, or wait, no, that doesn't make sense. 0, 1, 2, or 1, okay, or 4, or 6, or 7 or something. Anyway, whatever. We'll just do printf and then with this thing. So that should separate them. It might be a little bit different, but sure, fuck it, let's give it a go. And now, okay. Oh yeah, that's right. So it would actually be 4, 8, yeah, 12, and then not really sure about the other ones, but yeah, so it's going in kind of this order, I think. So if we were to do that, oh no, it's still, wait, what the fuck? Oh shit. Okay, great programming going on here, but yeah, we'll get there eventually. Okay, so yeah, that was a bit too much here. So anyway, this doesn't matter too much because we have the structure of C, or of the fucking thing. So what we can do in this case is, since we got the buffer here, yes, we got the buff. We can actually just print the buffer like this, and then we can actually create the thing. So this will be HID, or what did I call this shit? Yeah, HID packet. So it'll be struct HID packet, and then we'll just call it packet, like so. And then what we can do is struct HID packet and do it like this with the buffer, like so. So that should do the job. And then we can do a print f. We can do, let's go with, what the heck did I call it? Oh yeah, well, we can go with, let's see, header. Then we can do packet dot header. Okay, so yeah, okay, fine. Then we can do, what's the next one? Yeah, so to VID, we can do that. VID, then we can do PID. Then we can do operation. Yeah, to VID operation. Then we have payload as well. Operation. And then we have payload length. Payload length. Payload length. And then the actual payload is itself. Oh shit. Yeah, so this thing will be a percentage x. Yeah, percentage x. Percentage x. Percentage x. Percentage x. And fuck it. Let's go with percentage x as well, see what that does. This will actually be the actual payload. And we also need to add a new line at the end of all these. I keep forgetting. Okay, so this should give us a pretty good package thing. So let's see if it actually compiles. Fuck. Error initialization from incompatible port pointer type. But why are they incompatible? Oh wait, there's something wrong here. Hang on. HID package. Wait, why did I set this as package? Ah, fuck it. Should be packet. But whatever. Package. We will fix that later. It should have been packet all this time, but yeah, whatever. Okay, let's compile this thing. Okay, so that thing is working now. So if we were to just fucking do that. Okay. Yeah, so that actually worked. Okay, I forgot to new line this shit, but anyway, header is feed. VID is all good. PID is all good. Operation is all good. Payload length is 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all good. Yeah. So that's exactly what we planned. So yeah. So where's this fucking shit? So yeah, we're sending VID 9000. We're sending PID 9001. The operation is FF because we are doing this simple key operation, which is FF. And then for the test, or what the fuck? Oh yeah, this thing, that's the payload. So yeah, payload size 4 and then the payload. So yeah, this is, yeah. So the key that we're sending is, I forgot what it was, but anyway, it's, oh yeah, actually the payload looks a little bit weird. It actually looks better here. Huh, weird. Yeah, because there should be 02 somewhere. Yeah, so 0A, then it's 02, then it's 03, and then FF. Yeah, so that looks right here, but for some reason here, it doesn't look right. I think this is because this is an, it's because it's an address, maybe? Or actually, yeah, there is A1, but yeah, it should be 0. And then the key that I send, what was it? Is 0A. Yes, so yeah, so this actually looks right. 0A, 02, 03, and then FF. Yeah, so that looks right. So for some reason, it's not being sent here, which is strange. Yeah, that is strange. I wonder why that is. Packet payload. Huh. Very weird. Very weird indeed. Okay. Maybe if we were to loop through the bytes, maybe? So we can try that. So we can do something like this for I. Then this actually be a packet payload length. Then this will be yeah, packet payload I. That should work, right? Well, let's give it a go. Oh yeah, and I also need to add a kind of end here. It's just, you know, kind of keep it in line here. All right, so let us send this thing. Oh yeah, okay. So there is some weirdness going on here with the parsing. But yeah, if we actually parse it one by one, which is what I'll be doing anyway, it's actually fine. So yeah, if we were to go into here, you'll see the key is 0A and then 02, 03, and then FF. So yeah, that is perfectly fine. Okay. So it all is working just as expected. And this will be a good time to actually end it. To end this thing, because, yeah, I need to do some stuff. I need to eat some dinner and shit like that. But yeah, alright, this has been a long fucking session, but you know, we got there in the end. So now we have a standardized packet system, which can actually send a shitload of data, so that's pretty good. And yeah, like look at all the rest of the data we have, and you know, we have a good bit of shite here to send, so that's pretty good. So yeah, tomorrow or whenever, yeah, I'll forward this to this guy then. So yeah, that'll be pretty fun. So yeah. Okay. Cool. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like the C of it, since you know you can like directly interact with the same kind of HID packets kind of and shit like that. So yeah, that's pretty cool that you can do this. Yeah. Okay. And then you can do this shit as well. And all that shit. So yeah. Pretty fucking cool. Pretty cool indeed. Okay. Cool. Cool. Alright. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with what's going on here. So yeah, did I add all the stuff that I did today? Yeah, I did. So yeah, compiling on Linux will be fine. Okay, cool. So yeah, thank you boys for watching. And oh yeah, actually, before we do that, references. So yeah, this is a really good reference. So we'll actually put this in here, like so. Yeah, alright. Well, thank you boys for watching. I'll see you next episode. Bye-bye.